101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome to Smart Up Your Life, our English learning program. Grab your confidence in speaking English with me, Rifa Majid, and my friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi, guys. So
Hello.
happy to see you tonight, and welcome to our studio.
Yeah.
Okay, well, tonight, as usual, we are going to talk about one topic that very interesting to discuss, and one topic that I think it's necessary to discuss.
Yeah.
And yes, before we tell you what our topic is, please let me introduce my friends tonight who are going to be my partner during this airing program and will be with you during this program. We have newcomer. I just see you tonight. We have Mr. Ryan here. Hi, Mr. Ryan.
Hello.
What's up?
Yeah, I'm fine as usual.
Okay, fine as usual. So happy to welcome you tonight. And also we have the diligent one. We have Mr. Diaz. Hi, Mr. Diaz.
Hello. Hi.
How are you today?
Excited, happy, and everything great.
Okay, everything great because
Yeah, yeah.
today the weather is
Yeah, sunny,
quite
bright. Yeah.
bright,
Yeah.
quite fresh. And so the beautiful one, we have Miss Husna.
Hello, Kak.
Hi, Husna. How
Yeah.
are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. You are good and always like so calm.
You feel cold?
No.
Yeah.
She is a soft woman. A soft girl, I think.
I agree.
Well, before I tell you the topic, and guys, please tell smart listener what BPEC is, because this program is a collaboration program. We collaborate, Smart FM Makassar collaborate to BPEC Makassar. So please introduce BPEC to smart listener.
Okay, smart listener. So we are BPC, an oldest comedy in Makassar, since 1986.
Yeah.
So this year will be uh for 46.
34
yeah,
34 years
34 years
old
old.
now, yeah, this year. And also we are a non-profit English club community,
Yes.
and everything is free
Yeah,
of
everything
charge,
free, yeah.
and
Yes.
all of people can join with us. Yeah.
Okay, so every week BPEC Makassar also conduct their weekly meeting to learn English, and this is open to everyone
Yeah, this is
who
open.
wants to learn English, who wants to practice their English and want to speak English fluently.
Yes.
Correct.
And you can join BPEC Makassar. Am I the one of BPEC member? I can join you. I think.
Please,
And-
please.
Yes, and also a smart listener, you can also join our conversation tonight on Smart Up Your Life on our WhatsApp. Just text us 0811 and also you can write down your comment on our comment section on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar, because you can see our studio and our faces tonight on YouTube channel. Say hi to our subscriber.
Hi.
Hi, smart listener who watching us on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Well, tonight, as I said before, we are going to talk about one topic that is necessary to talk, because this is the end of the year.
Yeah.
As sometimes most of people doing vacation in the end of the year.
Yeah.
They take year-end holiday and make a plan for their vacation. So, our topic tonight will be year-end vacation plans. That's our topic. So, guys, I'm curious to know, do you have any plans on, or do you have vacation plan for this year end and to welcoming New Year? Do you have any plan maybe for this holiday, or you can make any vacation maybe? Who wants to answer first? Okay, Mr. Diaz first,
Okay, me.
please.
Actually, I'm very excited to face by New Year's in 2021 because I hope this is a new I think um, this is a new hope, new resolution, and I do hope everything is get will running better in New Year's in 2021. Talking about vacation, yeah, I have actually plans. For example, maybe have a plane go to Enrekang and Toraja because I always enthusiastic with culture and nature. And Enrekang and Toraja, it's not too far each other, and I can get this place by Toraja to Enrekang, and in Toraja I can count how many times I'll be there. Maybe only 2 times.
Because
And
every year Toraja has their
Yeah.
own
lovely,
celebration.
yeah, lovely December.
Lovely December.
Yeah, and Enrekang I'm never go there actually. So
Okay.
I get curious to go there to Enrekang actually. Very
Okay.
yeah.
Well, that's your vacation plan on this year-end
Yeah.
holiday. So, in the latest or previous session, I have asked Mr. Diaz about his vacation plan. So, what about others? Miss Husna, what's your vacation plan in this year-end celebration or welcoming the new year?
Yeah. At the end of in this year, actually every single year, I don't have a plan to go anywhere because I don't really like if I go other place and then there is a crowded, there is so many people. Yeah, I don't have a specific time to go and doing vacation like at the end of the year, but in this month, at the end of in this month I have a schedule English camp with BPC. So yeah,
Where the location is?
I'm not sure, but maybe Malino.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So this is just my plans in this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your vacation or your holiday, your year-end holiday, just want to come to English camp with BPC Makassar.
Yeah.
You are a loyal one. So, Mr. Ryan, what's
Yes.
your vacation plan?
I'm not sure. I just stay at home and gathering with my family, having a barbecue and have a like gathering together and yeah, have a good time with my family.
Okay, you have a good time, quality time with your family. But if you have to choose one place that you like to visit the most, where is it?
The place that I want to
If
visit
you have
the
any
most, if I
chance.
have any chance,
Mm-mm.
I want to go to Jakarta maybe. Because that's the very really crowded place and there are many how to say many
Just say in
shop.
bahasa, just say in bahasa.
There are many
Shopping center.
shopping center.
Oh, you like shopping.
I don't really like, but
You want to feel maybe the capital of
the capital
Indonesia's
city of
vibe.
Indonesia. Yes.
Yes, the Jakarta's vibe.
Yes.
So, well, Mr. Rifki, what's your plan?
For me, for the last year, in this month,
He always start his statement with "for me."
yeah,
Okay.
for me. Okay, I have
Continue,
three
please.
plan to end this year. That is for in BPEC English camp, and the second one to visit a Bara, and the last for New Year, I will visit in Toraja.
Okay, so Toraja, Bulukumba, and Melino.
Yeah.
And yes, English camp.
With one-
Okay,
one
three
week.
locations in a week. Okay, I think that's a very busy week. we'll going to be a busy a busy a busy week.
BPEC vacation.
This is like a tongue twister sentence.
It's
Okay.
it's hectic,
It's,
you know.
it's hectic
Yeah.
week for you welcoming the new year.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
well, but in your vacation, what's usually okay? What will you do, or maybe you can, or maybe you have an itinerary, maybe some itinerary.
What
Okay.
mean?
You
It's
have a
the-
plan
yeah.
and schedule, and you arrange your holiday,
Hmm.
arrange your vacation. How to say?
Guidance of journey. So the
Yeah.
complexity, everything about vacation, like the date, the place, kind of journey, and everything about it.
Yes.
The
Okay.
complexity.
Sometimes what you do on your vacation?
What I do?
Uh-uh.
The first is I'm looking food.
Okay, looking for foods. Okay,
Okay.
kuliner hunter ya.
Yeah. And the second, I will look in some traditional place or there is a hide place in.
Hidden place.
Yeah. You know, as I mentioned that I'm very excited to go to in out of my regency actually, especially in Rekang, and because I'm never go there, I'm never be there. So I'm very curious there to feel the atmosphere, the place, the culture, and I want to how to say get mix with the local people there and ask directly about culture in Rekang, and also in Toraja. I want to see the festival in there because I've never actually see the festival in Toraja. I just when I there I just how to say bring the pengantin, how to say, I just accompany the yeah pengantin, how to say, I just you know, like in the
wedding
car,
ceremony.
yeah, the wedding ceremony. I follow them because my family, my friend's family get married there, so I'll be there.
Okay,
And
will be the groom man.
yeah, and and actually I very curious with the tradition there and see the directly, like see in my eye directly. And yeah, you know, I need to explore there actually.
Okay.
And of course taking a picture, record,
Yes.
and ask a local people by directly more close with them, something like that.
Okay, so you like to blend into the community.
Yeah, I like it.
And want to see how's the wedding ceremony, traditional wedding ceremony maybe.
Yeah, and everything about culture in Toraja
And
actually.
culture. Okay,
Yeah.
knowing culture so much.
Yeah.
What about you, Mr. Ryan?
What?
What you'd like to do?
Yeah, same like I said before. I just staying at home and have a gathering family
Mm-hmm.
and have a good time. Have a like barbecue
Mm-hmm.
and happy with each other.
Okay. The important point is happy with family. This is
Yes.
quality time with family.
The number
Okay.
one is family for
The
me.
number one is family. Maybe you like to travel with your family, or
Of course.
how to say, walking around the city.
Always
With your
together.
always together with his family. If I stay, or if I have a chance to have a vacation this in the end of this year, I have to, or I like to staycation in one place. Then in the next day, I want to explore
Explore.
the city, around the city, looking for the iconic places and take a picture like you, Miss Husna. Okay, well, smart listeners, so what about you? What's your plan, or what's your vacation plan on this end of the year? And you can forget the experience, and you can forget the moment, maybe the unique moment when you visit one city, or so on, or something like that.
Who's one the first?
You,
Oh, yes.
obviously.
Okay. Actually, always the first.
The older
Okay.
one.
Actually, I have honestly, but how to say, I'm positive proud about it. In last year in New Year's, I celebrate New Year's while vacation actually, in abroad, and in the country is several country actually, like Croatia, Spain, in Ibiza, and what else? Cuba. Yeah, Cuba. 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 Yeah. Um. What else? I forget the name. Bahama. Yeah, Bahama. Bahama. That is a very unforgettable moment because I can celebrate New Year's there and get vacation there, and especially in Cuba. Cuba. Very impression. I get impressive because I saw the car very classic, an American production old car like a 1970, and every car are old. Because in Cuba they got embargo. It means that the product the productivity of the industry they cannot get from America continental. So their country use all of the car are old and classic. And the situation and the building is a very very classic also, like in Kingdom era in Spain, in England, something like that. And when we go to the town, the how to say, very beautiful city because it's not only lightning but also like how to say, it's like yeah, remang-remang, something like remang-remang situation, but it's beautiful because the light here is a very light, and the part of them it's not it's dark. So when we see the dark and and after that lightning, after that dark, after that lightning, something like that. So it's like kunang-kunang, something like kunang-kunang. Yeah. Yeah, if you see the Makassar city, everything is lightning, but there in the night, not. It's like kunang-kunang because the city doesn't have enough power. I mean, like electrician to get the lightning in all city. Yeah. Something
Okay,
like that.
remang-remang in English is ghostly or nebulous.
Yeah, nebulous. Yeah,
Nebulous.
yeah, something like
ghostly.
that. Yeah,
Okay, that's the experience from
yeah,
Mr. Diaz.
yeah.
When you are in what country?
Therefore, Cuba, Bahamas,
Okay,
Spain,
you are how to say, you travel
Croatia. Yeah,
around
the
that
world.
countries.
Yeah.
Okay, well, but sometimes if the people doing their vacation, yes, except they will hand the foods the tradition, and also one thing that this is unforgettable things to do is the souvenir hunting. You have to bring your family gift from your vacation, so that some people in the last session.
So the most important, you need to keep health of protocol or protokol
Okay.
kesehatan in bahasa. Yeah.
Yes. Husna, what do you want to say?
Oh,
Mr. Rifki.
okay. For a smart listener, then I just want to say, bring extra money.
Bring extra money. Why?
Yeah, don't be a foreign in some place.
Oh yes. Because maybe you can be the homeless one.
Yeah.
If you
No, like
run
me,
out
I have
your
experience
money.
like that. I'll be homeless in some place. That is not really good. And
Based on your experience,
Yeah.
yes.
so in my word for smart,
Oh yes,
People.
this is vocabulary, yes.
yeah, vocabulary
Okay.
is
Clock the
good
door.
and good tour. Good like something
Guide,
and
tour guide.
Yeah, and good at tour. Yes, some good and good. Just same.
Okay, guide and guided.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's next, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, smart listener, if you want to have a vacation with maybe your family, your girlfriend, boyfriend, or
Your lovely one.
yeah, your lovely one, or your your soulmate. Yeah, the things that you have to do if you want to go to vacation, just uh, check your home that is safe, or
Mhm.
or that's safe for there is how to say, ada yang jaga rumah.
Oh yes.
Make sure your
Mm,
home
yeah,
is
make sure-
safe.
Safe and secure.
Yeah.
Make sure
insecure.
that there's one person who can
Person that
secure your
save
home.
your home.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you don't want, just lock the door. Yeah, lock the door. Just lock the door.
Yeah. And
And
turn off the
yeah,
electricity.
Yeah, turn off the electricity. Because sometimes there is a fire. How to say, kebakaran? Yeah,
Firebird.
yeah. There is a fire burn if you don't turn off your electricity. That's all.
Okay. Okay. So, the vocabularies maybe.
Yeah, I have two vocabularies. For the first is cruise ship. Cruise ship means that the elegant ship of the world. So everything about the elegant and the luxurious ship in the world.
Kapal pesiar.
Yeah, kapal
Okay.
pesiar, floating hotel.
Oh yes.
Yeah, kapal pesiar.
So, next.
And the second is excursion. Excursion.
Excursion.
Yeah, it means that travel department travel.
Oh okay.
Jadi departemen yang mengurus tentang perjalanan di kapal pesiar itu.
Okay.
And my vocabularies is my idioms are kick back.
Kick back.
It means that kick back. It means that to relax. Jadi santai,
Okay.
relax seperti itu.
Kickback. You can
Yeah.
say kickback or relax.
Yeah,
Okay.
betul. And the second is hit the town. It means that keluar dan bersenang-senang.
Hit
Yeah.
the town. Okay.
Yeah, hit the town. Hit the town.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's enough.
Husna,
Yeah.
the idioms or any
Yes.
vocabularies?
Talking about vacation, there is related vocabulary like itinerary.
Itinerary.
Yes.
Okay.
Or in bahasa we say rencana perjalanan. Yes, and then for idioms, there is have a lot on one's plate. It means have a lot of things to do. Yes, and then there is one on a shoestring.
How to spell?
It means ONASHOESTRING.
Mm-hmm.
It means very little amount of money.
Okay. Can
Yes,
you
for
repeat?
budget.
Can you repeat the sentence or the vocabulary?
On a shoestring.
Oh, on a shoestring.
String. Yes.
Bokeh.
Yes. Yes.
Bokeh. Oh, I have an idiom related to this one. I'm broke today.
Yeah.
Aku bokeh hari ini.
Yeah.
I'm broke today. So make sure you don't broke or how to say?
My wallet broke today.
You broke on your vacation because you will be the poor one.
Yes.
So
Yeah. Just is it.
okay. Ryan.
Okay, I have two vocabs. That is have a lot. Oh,
Idioms.
Yeah, yeah. That's one idiom. Put someone up, meaning allow someone to stay in your house.
Okay.
So
Allow someone to.
allow someone to stay in your house.
The idiom is.
Idiom is oh my god.
You lost your idiom.
Yeah, I lost my idiom, by the way. Okay. B and B meaning bed and breakfast.
Okay. Okay. The last one maybe. That's it.
That's it.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you guys for attending our program tonight, and thank you for smart listener who wants to stay to hear our conversation. And I wish you can have any benefit or good benefit to from this program, and
Yeah.
you want to practice your English as well.
Keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward and do not hesitate to speak
Yeah.
English.
Never stop to learning.
Never stop to learning, even though you are not or you cannot speak fluently.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, and we'll see you again next week. Rifa Majid signing out, and my friends too,
Radias, Mr. Dias.
Mr.
Rifki.
And Husna.
And Mr. Brian.
Lala. Bye bye.
Bye.